Afternoon, Bob.
Good evening.
What were you working on today?
1970 Buick Wildcat.
Almost got her ready.
I don't know about that.
She's gonna fire up and purr like a kitten, right?
Highly doubtful.
I don't think nobody's social distance no more.
Supposed to be.
No, that's all right.
Supposed to be, man.
Nobody, everybody at work, nobody's scared no more. Don't be coughing. Cough, I'm running. He's trying to get me away from him. Bob ain't right. See, look at him.
That little fake cough.
Yeah, right. Star calling. He don't want me next to him.
That ain't right.
You ain't right, man.
My parents always said.
That's what your parents always said. But you know they knew.
That's why they're not around anymore.
Don't say that.
No.
It's hard. I find that hard to believe, Mr. Bob.
What's that?
That your parents say you wasn't right.
Got the floor back.
I guess as long as it worked.
This should go up to the air cleaner.
So it should fire up now,
I think it's pretty much
huh? Starter, everything.
starter's hooked up. We're gonna clean the terminals. Let's see what we got. Didn't work the other day.
I got a battery charger. What's the little canister go over there on the wheel well?
Yeah, the AC line. I don't have it hooked up right now.
Look who comes sneaking up. I kept hearing something.
I didn't come to work. I smell smoke. What's up? What's up, Bob?
Hey, how you doing there?
All right, man.
We're gonna get ready to try to fire up here in a minute.
Cool.
So what's been up, Tony? What's going on with the Riviera?
Sitting waiting on you.
Waiting on dude.
I said, waiting on you.
Waiting on me.
Waiting on you. Waiting on you, Rob.
Oh, come on now. You done got it in and got the other little stuff done? Oh, so how you waiting on me? Don't be walking away, man. I don't know. Where you going? Where you going? I can zoom in. I can zoom in. I still got you. Waiting on me. All right, so you filling the float up? You gonna try to get this one started?
Yeah. In a long slumber.
What'd you pull down? What's down that little snout there?
That fills the floats up.
Oh, really?
That's what I've been told.
Well, you know what you're talking about.
So hopefully we have spark.
We're gonna try to fire this up, and he pulled a little gas down there. Said that probably filled the float up. So I'm not good with all of this carburetor stuff. I want to learn though. 455, fire in the hole.
We'll see.
Fire in the hole. You want me to cut the battery charger on?
Yeah, you're gonna hook that up.
That thing got a lot of juice in it, don't it? Fire in the hole. Don't even sound like it's hitting, do it?
Check if we have spark.
That's why.
That helps. I have to have you turn it over.
You ready?
Yep. No spark. No sparky.
And the wires,
Compression.
all the wires on the distributor.
What did we do last? Regal. We didn't have any spark. I put a new coil in and we still didn't have any spark.
Don't you hate when new neighbors move in? I do.
Yeah, we got new neighbors moved in on the one side.
Oh,
Now the complaining's gonna start.
that house that I wanted.
No, the one, that newer house. You know, the field is here and then that one on the corner.
Oh yeah, with a lot of partying.
No,
just-
they just moved in.
Oh, complain about your cars.
Yeah, we're nervous now. Those other people were hardly ever around. Or never were out of the house, really.
All right, so he took and cleaned up all these connections. We wasn't getting spark before, and actually it started up without the one spark plug in there.
Yeah. That happened to me and Eric with the Regal, too. After we cleaned it
I
up.
think it'll start. I don't think you need no more gas.
Got a lot of gas.
You got a lot of gas, I know. But the car don't need no more. I think it's gonna fire right up. Cause it fired up with a spark plug missing. Well, look at that. It fired up without a spark plug. You put the spark plug in, now I don't want to do nothing.
We got nothing. Now what?
Are you pumping on it, Bob?
I didn't pump it.
Maybe she don't like you. Let me try. Move your hand. She fired right up for me. Maybe she say it's changing other guards. Fuel pump not working? That's dangerous. Is it the What's calling on?
It started going.
Is the battery charger? Cut the battery charger down. Did I cut it off or it's on? Cut it on fast, like on 12 high. Give it some juice.
Hold on. Yeah, we got it now.
Pumping oil? Me happy. Exhaust too loud, but
That damn one must not be flooded out.
what that
One pipe on that side didn't fit real well.
oh, okay. No, that's cool. It's running.
Doesn't sound like any. It's hard to say with that being loud, but
Nah, it don't sound like it's knocking.
no. It actually idles and everything.
Yeah, it don't sound like it. Will it accelerate?
Yeah, it should. Where's the cap for it?
That 40-year-old carb you got on there. Yeah, it's not knocking. It don't sound like it's knocking.
I wanted to do something else.
All right, she fired up. 70 Wildcat. Well, Bob worked his magic today. Got her running.
I'm gonna run it again.
Is it out of gas?
You want to start it again?
Yeah. I'm trying to pull Lucas down the car. I mean, Seafoam. I'm used to the newer cars, Lucas. So now you're almost out of gas when you should keep cutting.
Does the gas gauge work?
I don't know.
That's probably correct. Yep. Go ahead. We should have never kicked it off a high idle.
Ready?
Hold on. Oh, the choke thing fell off. Hold everything. Okay, try that. Okay, go ahead. Keep her running. Yeah, that carburetor needs a rebuild, for sure. But at least we know it runs. And we got a vacuum right here. Doesn't help.